Ever dreamt of all your customers reading your messages? Make it a reality with SMS retargeting. Statistics show that 98% of messages are opened within 3 minutes. It's one of the strongest channels with a unique CTR of up to 30% and an average conversion rate of over 10%. SMS remarketing isn't just about sending off a generic marketing message. There are a number of ways brands are using it to build a relationship with the customer, such as by providing customer service, offering deals and coupons, and also sending reminders for abandoned carts. Cartscrew has a simple-to-use platform when creating your SMS campaign because you can drag and drop personalized data fields into your SMS template to enhance the customer experience. Here's how we can build a powerful SMS campaign. You can either start with a pre-filled template for quick implementation, or you can build one from scratch. Today, I'm going to be using a template. Start with your company name because it's the first thing your customer reads. It's the deciding factor as to whether or not they will open the text. Address your customer by their name because the goal is to build a relationship and establish familiarity. The next step is to add a clear CTA. This text message should prompt your customer's next move. You can add a direct link for them to finish their purchase, check out recommended products, or even use a discount code. In this case, I'm reminding the customer to finish their checkout by including a direct link to their cart and incentivizing them with a discount code. The opt-out message is necessary to be compliant to the TCPA, but you don't need to worry about it because we include it by default. Notice how the completed text is short and sweet. It's really important to get to the point and let your customers know your purpose. SMS remarketing directly connects you with visitors who have abandoned their carts. Mobile remarketing is not yet overcrowded, so when used appropriately with your warmest leads, you can really maximize the result. Make your mark and set up your SMS campaign with Cartscrew today.